Hello guys, it's 1:34 in the morning here in the Philippines. I slept and then I woke up. So, I feel bored. So, only I do is, I said I'm going down here in the kitchen and then I make brownies and cinnamon roll. This is my cinnamon dough. This is my dough for my cinnamon. And this is the brown sugar, cinnamon powder, and butter. And then this one. This is the kitchen. Now I'm done to bake my brownies. My brownies is still there now, waiting. Guys, aboard. So I'm trying to make it tired myself. Hello guys, look at this. This is my brownies now. It's crunchy on top, super crunchy. See? Did you hear that, guys? Did you hear the sounds? And I never filled my cinnamon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I never filled my cinnamon. Look at my homemade cinnamon. Wow, see that? That's my version. Bye guys. Good morning.